In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change letter spacing in Affinity Designer. Letter spacing, also called tracking, controls the overall space between characters in a word or line. It's a simple adjustment that can make your titles feel more polished, improve readability, and create a consistent look across your design. Start by opening the Affinity Designer app on your computer and load the document you want to edit. Once you're in, click on the text you want to adjust. If you're working with a line or paragraph, drag across it to highlight the exact characters you want to affect. Only the highlighted text will change, so this gives you precise control over your layout. Next, go to the menu bar at the top and open the window menu. From there, hover over text and choose character. This will open the character panel, which contains all the typographic controls you need. If you don't see it at first, it may be docked with your other panels. You can drag it out or dock it where it's convenient. Keeping this panel visible while you work makes future adjustments quick and consistent. Within the character panel, look for the section labeled Positioning and Transform. This is where Affinity Designer groups the spacing and scaling options for your text. You'll see a control called Tracking. This is the setting that changes the overall space between letters in your selection. Click on Tracking and drag your mouse to the right to increase letter spacing or to the left to tighten it. You'll see the changes update instantly on your canvas. Larger positive values spread letters out for a clean, airy look. Negative values pull them closer for a compact, bold feel. A little goes a long way. Subtle adjustments often look the most professional. If you go too far, set tracking back to 0 to return to the default spacing. Remember, tracking applies evenly across everything you highlighted, which makes it ideal for headlines, buttons, and logos. If you need to fine-tune spacing between two specific characters, that's kerning, which is different from tracking. As you adjust, zoom in to check edges and readability, then zoom back out to judge the overall balance in your layout. Keep an eye on letter forms so counters and shapes don't appear crowded or floating. Affinity Designer updates in real time so you can confidently experiment, knowing you can always undo any change. That's it. Open your document, highlight the text, open the character panel via Window, Text, Character, head to Positioning and Transform, and adjust tracking to taste. With this technique, your typography will look intentional, consistent, and easy to read.